Hello YouTube, lymph stasis symptoms, why it is important to move. A nutritionist, therapist reminds of the importance of movement for the full functioning of the body's lymphatic drainage system. Many of us, in connection with the military events, are now moving very little and literally froze internally and externally, postponing previously familiar practices for later. Naturally, this text is not for those who are sitting under shelling in bomb shelters, but if you are in relative safety, let's prioritize daily movement and physical activity. This will significantly support both our emotional state, the release of dopamine, and the basic functions of cleansing the body, morning stool, sweating, active peristalsis, bile flow, blood circulation, lymphatic drainage. Symptoms of stagnant lymph. In the morning, a natural phenomenon for the body is short-term lymphatic swelling. This is absolutely normal, not pathological. We did not move at night, there was a stagnation. Lymphatic swelling should normally go away about an hour after waking up, or perhaps earlier if you take a contrast shower, do lymphatic drainage jumps. Puffiness that does not go away until lunch or lasts throughout the day is not the norm. There are other pathological manifestations of overloaded lymph. When is the lymphatic system abnormal? Swelling during the day. Puffiness in the evening. Pronounced cellulite. Bad smell of sweat. Severe sweating. Skin rashes, peeling, itching. Problems with the mammary glands, mastopathy, cysts. Women's problems, fibroids, endometriosis. Male problems, prostatitis. Plugs in the tonsils and chronic tonsillitis. Adenoids in children. An increase, and sometimes inflammation, of the submandibular, axillary, inguinal lymph nodes. Coated tongue. Subfebrile body temperature on a long-term basis. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.